Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix invalid zip code on Venmo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you encountered an invalid zip code error on Venmo, it usually relates to issue with the zip code linked to your payment method. So first what you need to do is check zip code with your bank or card issuer. Ensure that the zip code you entered matches the billing address on file with your bank or card issuer. You can check by logging into your online banking or by contacting your bank customer service. Update payment method in Venmo. If zip code has changed, you may need to update your payment method in Venmo to reflect the correct zip code. Now re-add the card or bank account. If updating the zip code doesn't work, try removing the card or bank account from Venmo and re-adding it. Ensure correct format. Double check for typos or formatting issues. Zip codes in the US are 5 digits or 9 digits if you are using the extended format with a hyphen. Make sure you are not accidentally entering letters or extra spaces. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists with one card or bank account, try using a different payment method. Example, another debit card or credit card. Update Venmo app. An outdated version of the Venmo app might cause errors. Check your app store to see if there are any updates for Venmo and install them if available. Contact Venmo support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it might be necessary to contact Venmo support. They can help navigate if there's a problem on their end or with your account. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.